Hey there, welcome back to Compare the Carrier YouTube channel, your one-stop solution for all your vehicle and heavy equipment transport needs. Today, we have a mammoth task ahead of us. We're going to guide you step by step on how to prepare your Caterpillar equipment for shipping. So whether you have a skid steer loader, an excavator, a dozer, or any other CAT equipment, we've got you covered. Caterpillar is renowned for its robust and efficient heavy equipment, and it's paramount to ensure their safe transit. Now, shipping heavy machinery is not as simple as sending a package. There are certain protocols and checklists to follow, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Thoroughly clean your Caterpillar equipment. This is a must, especially for international shipping, to avoid any issues with customs. Cleaning also allows for a thorough inspection, which brings us to our second step. Step 2. Carry out an exhaustive inspection of your equipment. Document its existing condition, scratches, dents, rust, or any damages. Remember, a well-documented equipment condition report can save you a lot of trouble in the event of any shipping damage claims. Step 3. Secure any loose parts. If your Caterpillar machinery has any removable parts or components, secure them properly or remove and package them separately. This includes buckets, blades, or any accessories. Step 4. Lower the equipment. If possible, lower the boom and blades of your machinery to minimize its height. This could potentially save you a lot of money and shipping costs. Step 5. Disengage the battery and drain all fluids. This is a precautionary step that can prevent unwanted accidents during transit. And lastly, Step 6. Consult with your shipping company. They are the experts and can give you specific advice depending on the type of your Caterpillar equipment, shipping destination, and other factors. Preparation is key in ensuring your Caterpillar equipment reaches its destination safely and in the same condition it left. Remember, we at Compare the Carrier are here to help you find the best shipping deals and solutions for your heavy machinery, vehicles, and more. That's it for today's guide, folks. Hope you found this information valuable. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments section below, and we'll do our best to address them. And as always, hit that like button if you found this video useful, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Compare the Carrier, compare to save.